A warm morning to everyone and welcome back to Law Statistics. I'll be narrating the daily legal updates for today, which are as follows. The Supreme Court will consider tomorrow a public interest litigation seeking an investigation by the CBI or sit monitored by sitting or retired judges of the Supreme Court or the High Court into the Hathras case relating to the rape and murder of a 19-year-old Dalit woman allegedly by four upper caste men. Recently, a successful trial of the nuclear capable Shaurya missile was conducted by India. Another petition has been filed before the Supreme Court challenging the constitutional validity of the new Farmers Act, stating that legislations violate the basic features of the Indian Constitution. Furthermore, the Chief Minister of Delhi will be among the five urban leaders from around the world to speak at the Daring Cities 2020 conference on 7th October. The Supreme Court has observed that a special leave petition challenging the order of the High Court rejecting the review petition cannot be entertained when main judgment in the writ petition is not challenged. Former Chief Justice of High Court of Kerala, Justice K.K. Usha, passed away on Monday. Bombay High Court hearing on Kangana Ranaut plea against demolition of her office by MBC. That's all for today's news. Thank you and have a great day ahead.